Hi and welcome to Cryptex Online's Club Service video tutorial. My name is Adam and I'll take you through this video on what to expect as a new user of the Club service. Club runs within a web browser. I'm currently using Chrome. You can use Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, or if you're using a mobile device, then you can use the browsers under iOS or Android. So let's get stuck into it. Very first thing you need to do is open your preferred browser and in the address bar type in club.cryptexonline.com and hit enter. You should now be at the club login screen. As a new user, you should have received an email from us advising of your username and an initial temporary password. Please consult that email and type the username and the initial password into this login screen. Once you've entered that information, click log on. The service will always try to secure your connection every time you log on. As a new user of the service, the first thing you need to do is change your password to something that is more meaningful to you. To do so, click OK. You will now be prompted to enter a new password. The only restrictions on the new password is it must be a minimum of 7 characters. Those characters can be made up of upper and lowercase alphabetic characters, it could be numeric characters, or it could be the special characters. Special characters are located above the number characters on a standard keyboard. Please enter your new password now. After you've entered it, click on the field below and enter it again to confirm. Once you've entered the password twice, click on the right arrow. If you receive the message below that says your password has been changed, everything is great. You can now click OK and head into the logging in for the new service. We're now at the home screen of your new club service. A couple of things to point out. At the top, we've got a black tab with a white arrow on it. This is a small drop-down menu. The two icons of interest here are the one second from the left, which is the icon to upload files to your club service from your local computer, and the fourth icon is to do the opposite. It's to download files from your club service to your local computer. These are the subject of another FAQ video, and please feel free to watch it after this one. For the moment, we'll just hide that menu. On the right hand side here, we have the available applications for you. We have OpenOffice. So OpenOffice is a suite of programs such as a text editor, a spreadsheet, a presentation tool. It's very similar to Microsoft Office. The first time you open OpenOffice, you may be asked to enter some information to be used as a default for every file that is saved. That information will be your first name, your last name, and your initials. You can enter that information and save it, or alternatively, just leave the information blank and click Finish. One thing to notice as you open programs, down in the bottom right hand side, you'll see Windows pop up. This is standard Windows functionality, and you can click on those things to alternate between every open program. As with any Windows application, you can shut down the application by clicking the X in the top right hand side of the window. One final thing to point out is how to log off the service. If you're ready to log off your service, take your mouse and click on the Windows icon in the top right hand side. The system will then ask you if you're sure you would like to quit now, and select yes. The system will now log you out and take you back to the login screen. So that's about it for the initial view of what you can expect as a new user of the service. Please log on to your new service, have a play around. Feel free, if you have any questions, to give us a call on 1300 040 900 or send us an email, club@cryptexonline.com. Thank you.